Hi friends, welcome to our channel SSCubers. Today I am going to solve the first layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Recently I had posted a video on how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I will post a link on top right corner. Please check that video if you have not already seen it. My friends told me that I was going too fast, so I will make 3 videos explaining 3 layers in detail. First, let's go through the basics of this cube. This cube has 3 layers. This is the top layer, this is the middle layer, and this is the bottom layer. Secondly, this cube has 3 types of pieces. This is the center piece. This has only one color and it is fixed. This is the edge piece. It has 2 colors, and this is the corner piece. This has 3 colors. So let's scramble this. I think this is scrambled. Now, to solve this cube, we have to make sure that we will make a cross like this, and the second step is to align the corner pieces. Now, we will take an center piece which we want as our first layer. Now I will take the white color. You can take any color which you like. Now we have to make a cross of the white color and align the corner pieces. To make a cross, we have to put our edge pieces in such a way that the white color matches to its center and the other color will matches to its center. Now for example, this is our white piece over here. We will just turn it to the bottom, match the colors down itself, and bring it on the top. Like this, we have to build more 3 lines like this and join the pieces to its centers. Now the other piece is over here. Now like I told you, bring it to the bottom, and when I will bring it to the bottom, this piece will get dislodged. So I will just move it away from it and bring it on the top again. So I have moved this piece over here, and this piece is over here only. This piece is not dislodged now. Now I will join this piece to its center and bring it on the top. Now another piece is over here, so as I told you, bring it down, bring it away from it, like this or like this, and then put it on the top. Now we have our piece over here, match it to the center, bring it on the top. Now the last piece is over here. We are very lucky, we have already got this match, so I will just put it on the top. Now we have to align the corner pieces. To align the corner pieces, we have to make sure that the colors are matching. Like this is a piece over here. White matches to white, red matches to red, and blue matches to blue. So this piece will come over here. So I will take it to the bottom of the piece where we want, and if you have to check more that this cube will be correctly aligned, so just check this if the color is matching over here. So I will take the piece in the bottom where we want, the bottom layer, uh, on the right side, turn it to the right side, left layer down, bottom right, left, and the left up. See, we have aligned our corner piece. This algorithm will be used in all the 3 corner pieces. Now let's do it. Now white, orange, and blue. White, orange, and blue. So this piece will come over here. So bring it down in the bottom where we want, and in this case the piece is over the left, so we will turn it towards the left, and when the piece is over the right, we will turn it to the right. Now this piece is over the left, so I will turn it over the left, the right layer down, the bottom layer right, and the right layer up. Now another piece is over here. So this has an algorithm to remove this piece of where it is now. Just bring the layer down, move it to the left and bring it up. If this piece was over here, I would do the same trick but on the right side. Like I would turn the right layer down, then move the bottom layer to the right and bring this right layer up. Now I have brought this piece over here. Now it has white, green and orange. White, green and orange. So this piece will come over here. Now as I told you, do the algorithm. Bottom layer right, left layer down, bottom layer left and left layer up. Now the last piece is over here. So bring this at the bottom of it and the bottom layer left, right layer down, bottom layer right and right layer up. We now have solved the first layer of this cube. To see the second and the third layer, please like, subscribe and share this video. And if you have any questions, please write it in the comment section below. Thank you and hope you like this video.